Want to look back on these videos.
This is for when you get old and you want to look back on these videos. Well, Farty, did you get that?
Yes, I did. And we are going to eat our cake. See, look how amazing it looks.
It smells really bad.
It does?
Well, I farted.
Oh, it doesn't smell bad.
I got it.
See? Hi. Oh my gosh, it's all soft. My parents said that they couldn't do theirs because it got hard.
It was good information to have.
What?
Uh-oh.
Huh? Is it hard?
It's not cutting.
Seriously?
Like, it won't go past that.
I wonder why.
Maybe someone lost a finger in there.
I didn't.
I can't get it. I was using both hands on that.
Is it still frozen?
I don't know. It's just not going through that.
Weird. Let me see. Whatever. Gosh, you jerk. You only did that because we're taping it.
I know.